This week at Interior, it's an all-of-America approach in combating the coronavirus. Last week, President Donald Trump signed the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security, or CARES Act, to provide relief to American families, businesses, and heroic healthcare workers serving on the front lines during this pandemic. This unprecedented relief package of $2 trillion carves out funding for Interior as well to further critical operations during the pandemic, supporting deployments of law enforcement officers and emergency personnel to critical areas. In addition, the CARES Act includes an historic $8 billion for tribal communities as they rapidly respond to the COVID-19 pandemic. Interior continues to provide critical services to the American people. Secretary Bernhardt repeated his praise of the dedicated employees who continue to conserve our public lands and resources, provide necessary information to the public, promote public health and ensure public safety, particularly those on the front lines fighting fires, providing law enforcement, delivering public health services, inspecting oil platforms, and maintaining our mission-essential facilities. Despite challenging circumstances, Interior employees continue to fulfill their duties and maintain the trust of the American people. Across the country, our parks, refuges, and outdoor recreation areas have modified their operations and are following all Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, state and local public health guidelines to keep visitors and employees safe. Before visiting any of our public lands, please go online to see what remains accessible and be sure to follow all public health guidance. In preparation for this year's wildfire season, Secretary Bernhardt took action this week to improve the department's fuel reduction strategies in the Great Basin, as BLM constructs and maintains a system of up to 11,000 miles of fuel breaks to control wildfires. It's a major step in fulfilling the President's commitment to Western communities by implementing more effective wildfire treatments to better protect Americans, their property, and their lands. The department also issued 2 major disbursements this week, with nearly $1 billion being issued to the states for conservation funding. This funding is generated by America's sportsmen and women who pay excise taxes on hunting, shooting, and fishing equipment. The second disbursement of more than $227 million was from the Land and Water Conservation Fund to all 50 states, 5 U.S. territories, and the District of Columbia for specified park and outdoor recreation and conservation projects. The LWCF gets its funding largely from offshore oil and gas revenue in federally owned waters. And a closing reminder to do your part to slow the spread of the COVID-19 virus. The next 30 days are a critical opportunity for America to flatten the curve and get to the other side. Follow the directions of your state and local public health authorities and stay together, apart. For more information, visit coronavirus.gov. That's This Week at Interior.